Hey, my name is Mario. Thanks for joining this channel. So I'm going to be preparing a tutorial for you to learn some amazing South American Andean pan flute music and be able to step by step follow the notes and work together towards that amazing sound that you're looking for, alright? So be patient, it requires practice as everything, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna start with this note in the D position right here, so you can follow the chart for reference. This is what we're gonna be using, just 3 fingers first. We're gonna do small blow of air to produce the low D. Okay, after that we're gonna play a higher stream airflow so we can produce the next D. So it's the same finger position, but you're gonna produce more air, so you're gonna go from a low D to a higher D, alright? So we'll sound like this. Okay, after that we're gonna do a B, an A, and a B again, okay? And then we're gonna mix it all together and it's gonna be something like this. Okay, so we just changed that ending to be G, so no fingers on the flute. It's all open, and E natural, just finger 1, 2, and that will do it for the melody. So I'm gonna go again and repeat. Okay, so that'll be the first part of the song. Let's get to part number 2. It's gonna start on B, and then it's gonna go up to E. That's the melody. We're gonna break it down. Okay, so B, E, and then we're gonna use sharp note right here. It's half of the finger is gonna cover the D note, so you're gonna have a D sharp or E flat. Then we're gonna jump to G, F sharp, E, and D. So again, second part, it would be D, B, D, 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 B, D, C. Part number 3 would be so that's gonna break down as B, A, and then D, G, and E. Alright? So it's something like this. Now when I play the G note, I always use these 2 fingers to support the instrument, and also it creates a better tune and sound G. Alright? So this note right here, it's no fingers in the instrument, no fingers, it's all open. I'm gonna use these 2 fingers right here. So it's easier and it creates a better sound. All right. So and then we're gonna do a little scale to mix them together. So that will be E, F, G, A, right? And we're gonna play that again. Un, dos, three, four.